In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to format small, raised characters that sit above your baseline, perfect for things like footnote numbers, mathematical exponents, or ordinal endings like ST and ND. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside your own project. Start by opening the Canva project where you want to apply Superscript. Once you're in, click directly on the text box that contains the word or character you want to raise. This ensures you're editing the right layer and brings up the text editing toolbar across the top of your screen. If your document has multiple text boxes, make sure you're selecting the one you intend to change. Next, highlight the exact character or portion of text you want to turn into a superscript. This is an important step because superscript usually applies to just one or two characters within a larger word or sentence. With that text highlighted, look up to the top toolbar for the T icon with a double-headed arrow. That's the text formatting control you'll use to fine-tune your styling. Click the T icon and then choose More Settings. This opens a panel, typically on the left side of your screen, where you'll find additional formatting options that aren't always visible in the main toolbar. In this panel, look for the section labeled Formatting. Within that section, you'll see the Superscript option. Click Superscript, and your selected text will immediately shift upward and reduce in size to match the classic Superscript look. Take a moment to review how it appears in your design. Superscript should be legible but subtle, so if it looks too crowded or too small, consider adjusting your base font size or spacing in the surrounding text to keep everything easy to read. If you make a change you don't like, remember you can always undo it and try again until it looks right. That's all there is to it. You selected your text, highlighted the part you wanted to raise, opened the advanced text controls via the T icon with the double-headed arrow, clicked More Settings, and then turned on Superscript in the formatting section. If you're applying this to multiple places in your design, just repeat those same steps for each instance to keep your styling consistent. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create clean, professional superscripts in Canva, and you can apply them anywhere your design needs that polished, elevated look.